Now it is Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. And if you're a big fan of cucumbers, then Lynn has an easy sweet recipe for you to try, and it's perfect for cooling off during hot days. Let's check it out.
So your blender has lots of uses. You can make smoothies, sauces, oat and other nut milk recipes, desserts. I've even used mine to grind rice flour, grind coffee beans for brewing coffee, and lots of other things. So I just wanted to show you some other cool things you can do with your blender. Today we're going to show you a quick way to make a summer dinner. We've made a gazpacho on here with you before, and that's a cold summer soup that has tomatoes and peppers and cucumber and other summer vegetables. And today we're going to make another one, a cucumber avocado, just something light and refreshing to get dinner together in minutes. So what we're going to do is put our blender on here, and then I've got some cut up cucumber. I have mostly peeled it because the peel is a little bit on the chewier side. I'm just going to throw some of those pieces in there. And then I've got an avocado here. And I'm going to put about half of it, I believe. Avocado is so very creamy, so it's really going to make this soup kind of seem rich and creamy, even though it's very light and summery. And then I'm just going to throw a couple pieces of red onion in there. And I have got some chicken broth. You could use vegetable broth, water, a little bit of miso, just something to give it a little bit of water and flavor, and then we're going to turn it on. I added about a half a cup of liquid in here, but you could always add more or less. And then I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt. Ideally, I'd add a little pinch of pepper, but I forgot to bring the pepper over here, but no, it's going into the final product. And now we have this rich, creamy, delicious summer soup. You could have thrown a couple ice cubes in here to serve this immediately, or you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. This is really meant to be consumed in the same day. It's not something that you're going to make in bulk and then eat several days throughout the week, but it's just a quick, easy way to use up some of those summer vegetables. It's fresh, it's hydrating, it's delicious. And I think you're really going to like this one. So if you're looking for a quick and easy meal that'll help you add something new into your dinner rotation, throw some veggies in the blender and try something new.
Now, as a reminder, we do have all of Lynn's tips and tricks on our website. To find them, just log on to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.